Let's meet Siddharth, one of our top 20 finalists of Vidblog's Young Inventor TechFest 2020.
My name is Siddharth Sharma. I am studying in class 10th in Ajit Karam Singh International Public School, Sector 41B, Chandigarh. My major areas of interest are programming, and my hobbies are to read books mainly about entrepreneurs. I am greatly influenced by the thoughts of Steve Jobs and Elon Musk. As a 15-year-old kid, I like to watch movies based on time travel and the ones based on real life. I also love to listen to audiobooks and podcasts. I strongly believe that you can achieve anything and everything in life by putting your 100% commitment, determination, and passion. Hello everyone, I am Siddharth and this is my entry for the IIT Bombay Tech Fest 2020. This is my project for the home automation category, in which I have made a virtual assistant that can control all your daily tasks, automate it just by your voice on your computer. It is similar to Google Assistant and Siri, but the main difference is that they aren't available on the computers. So let me show you how it works.
Good evening. How may I help you?
Wake up,
Yup.
open Amazon,
Opening Amazon.
close Amazon,
Closing.
So this was a normal example of how it will work. To explain it more practically, I will now use a made up scenario that I have to send information about Steve Jobs to my friend using a Word document on mail. So I will gather the information using my voice, type it using my voice, and also send the document using my voice. Let me show you.
Good evening. How may I help you?
Wake up,
Yes.
who was Steve Jobs?
Searching. Stephen Paul Jobs, February 24, 1955, October 5, 2011, was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor.
Search companies founded by Steve Jobs on Google.
Searching on Google.
Search what made Steve Jobs different.
Searching.
Search products made by Steve Jobs on Google.
Searching on Google.
Open Microsoft Word.
Opening Microsoft Word.
Type mode on.
OK to stop type mode, speak disconnect, starting type mode in 3, 2, 1.
Steve Jobs was born on 24th of February 1955. He founded Apple, Next and Pixar. He was known for thinking differently and was one of the best people in the world.
I've made this prototype using Python programming language, and I've used Google's API for speech recognition purposes, and I've also used many Python libraries such as PyAutoGUI, pytts63 to make the assistant do all the tasks. Now in the future I would like to add OpenCV for image recognition purposes, by which it can read and search the text using the webcam of the PC, and I would also like to add a user interface with which user can interact.
Great. Siddharth, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Great. So let's open the floor for Q&A. Over to you, judges. Thank you.
So Siddharth, great project. What's stopping you from distributing your software?
So the main, I think, reason is that the API that I've used is free from Google, and it's not that accurate, the speech recognition API. And I would like to use a paid API, like
But
IBM Watson.
but wouldn't this be better if you already launch your software and in a beta version, in a closed beta version, and take feedback from your different users, and then you keep on modifying it later on?
Yes, I can also do that by adding a user interface.
So I guess my question is your software ready to be distributed? Or do you think it's going to take more time to make it into a better application?
I think as beta version, it's all right to distribute
Okay.
right now.
So you talked about getting the home appliances managed by this. Have you done that, or is it a thought process?
I haven't done that, but I can do that if I have a smart device at home.
But the whole idea of managing those is through IoT, etc., is when you are away. Is that not?
Yes.
Or is that, why would you want it on a desktop, for example?
Because like more of the productive tasks can be done on your PC instead of your mobile phone, I think.
Okay.
You can use it.
So basically, your idea is a personal assistant for desktop, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
For Mac and Windows.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for your presentation. It'd be interesting to see, as you said, about launching this in beta and then also developing more mobile type applications. I think would be your next step to
Yes.
think about. So,
Yes.
Thank you.
Many congratulations to Siddharth for his invention. On behalf of the entire team of WitBlocks and TechFest, we wish him the very best of luck for the future.